So imagine this. DJI, the king of drones, suddenly drops a robot vacuum. Yeah, the same company that builds aerial cameras and stabilizers is now trying to clean your floors. And on the other side, we've got Roborock, the veteran of smart cleaning tech, dropping their most advanced model yet, the Q-revo Curv 2 Pro. These two don't just vacuum, they think, map, and scrub. But which one actually deserves a spot in your home? Let's dig into everything: design, cleaning power, smart features, and what it's really like to live with each of them. Starting with design, both of these scream premium, but in very different ways. DJI's ROMO feels like something out of a sci-fi movie, especially the ROMO P model. It has a transparent design that literally shows off its internals. It's sleek, futuristic, and feels like it was designed to impress even when it's not cleaning. You can immediately tell DJI's design team brought their drone building DNA here. Clean lines, polished finish, and a base station that looks like a gadget dock from the future. Roborock takes a more practical route. The Q-revo Curv 2 Pro is super slim, around 7.98 centimeters tall, which means it can easily glide under couches, cabinets, and low beds where dust monsters love to hide. It doesn't try to shout, "Look at me," but instead quietly flexes its engineering through a minimal, purposeful design. The dock is large, sure, but neatly laid out and fits the Roborock aesthetic. Professional, not flashy. So design-wise, ROMO wins for flair, while the Curv 2 Pro wins for real-world practicality. This is where things get spicy, because both companies approach navigation in totally different ways. DJI's ROMO taps straight into its drone heritage. It uses dual fisheye cameras and solid-state LiDAR, giving it millimeter-level perception. Basically, it can see your home like a drone sees a landscape. Detailed depth mapping, obstacle recognition, even thin objects like wires and phone cables that other bots usually trip on. DJI claims it can detect cables as thin as 2 millimeters. That's impressive. Roborock, meanwhile, keeps its proven LiDAR plus AI camera combo, but introduces something genius: a retract sense system. The LiDAR tower on top can actually retract when it needs to go under low furniture, so you get full 3D mapping without sacrificing reach. Combine that with AI object recognition, which can identify over 200 household obstacles, and it's an extremely capable mapper and navigator. ROMO has the edge in raw sensing power thanks to DJI's imaging expertise, but Roborock's retractable LiDAR and AI object make it more versatile in cramped environments. Let's talk suction, because both these vacuums are absolute beasts. They're rated at a staggering 25,000 pascals of suction power. That's almost double what mid-range robots offer. What that means in practice is deeper carpet cleaning, stronger pickup on edges, and a better shot at those tiny crumbs that like to hide in cracks or grout lines. But suction isn't everything. The brush design, airflow path, and dustbin structure also matter. Roborock uses a duo divide main brush paired with a flexi-arm side brush, and it's designed to minimize tangles while pushing debris toward the intake. DJI uses a twin roller with anti-tangle brushes as well, plus dual side sweepers for corners. In day-to-day cleaning, both will leave floors spotless, but Roborock might handle hair better thanks to its anti-tangle optimization. Now, let's talk about something most people overlook: maintenance. Both ROMO and Q-revo Curv 2 Pro come with massive dock stations that take care of a ton of the boring stuff for you. DJI's dock is like a command center. It empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and even dries them automatically. DJI says you can go up to 200 days without maintenance for certain parts. Now that's the definition of hands-off cleaning. Roborock's Dock 3.0 is just as impressive. It can wash mop pads with hot water up to 100 degrees Celsius, then dry them with warm air around 55 degrees Celsius to prevent odors. It also auto-empties the dustbin and refills clean water. So basically, you can forget about it for weeks. Both docks are large, yes, but they're worth the space. The Q-revo's hot water wash and heated drying might give it a slight practical advantage, while ROMO's long-term maintenance system feels more futuristic. One of the biggest headaches for hybrid robots is how they handle carpets. Nobody wants wet mop pads dragging across rugs, right? Roborock solves this with its Adapta-Lifts chassis. It literally lifts itself when it detects a carpet. And the mop pads, they can detach automatically if you're doing a vacuum-only run. This level of flexibility is a big win for homes with lots of carpeted areas or mixed flooring. DJI's ROMO uses carpet detection too, automatically switching modes or lifting mop pads to avoid wetting rugs. It's smooth, responsive, and does the job well. Still, Roborock's adaptive chassis and removable mop system make it a slightly more refined for homes with thick carpets. If you've got pets or long hair, this section matters. Roborock's anti-tangle design is one of its key selling points. Its duo-divide brush splits and redirects hair so it doesn't wrap around the roller. Add in the FlexiArm side brush, which extends to reach edges and corners, and it's pretty much built for pet owners. DJI's ROMO isn't slouching either. It features dual-side brushes and an anti-tangle roller that minimizes wrapping. Plus, thanks to its precise object sensing, it can avoid pet bowls, toys, and random items left on the floor. So both handle pet hair and edge cleaning well, but Roborock has the advantage of a proven anti-tangle system that's been refined over multiple generations. When it comes to brains, both are loaded with smart tech. DJI's ROMO uses the DJI Home app, letting you create detailed cleaning maps, set no-go zones, schedule runs, or even view your home through the onboard camera. It feels like controlling a drone that happens to mop floors. Roborock's app, on the other hand, is one of the most refined in the industry. It's intuitive, fast, and full of options. You can control suction strength, mop intensity, create multi-form maps, or integrate it with smart assistants like Alexa or Google Home. It even supports the voice command "Hello Rocky" for quick start-stop actions. Both give you deep customization, but Roborock's long-term software maturity makes it slightly easier to live with daily. Now, both of these machines live in the premium category. We're talking prices that usually start around Euro 1,200 to 1,800 euros, depending on configuration. So yeah, they're not cheap, but you're not just paying for suction, you're paying for autonomy. ROMO feels like a statement piece, something for users who want futuristic tech and are willing to pay for innovation. The Q-revo Curv 2 Pro, meanwhile, feels like a perfected version of everything Roborock has learned, designed for people who value reliability and minimal fuss. If you want bold new ideas, ROMO's for you. If you want proven excellence, Q-revo Curv 2 Pro wins the practical crown. So which one should you go for? If you want the most futuristic experience, something that brings drone-grade perception to your floors, complete with stunning design and advanced sensors, the DJI ROMO is a bold pick. It's exciting, visually striking, and full of new ideas that make cleaning feel high-tech. But if you prefer something that just works, no drama, no guesswork, just consistent performance, the Q-revo Curv 2 Pro is the safer, smarter bet. It's slimmer, battle-tested, and incredibly efficient at cleaning every corner without getting tangled or confused.